It is important that each and every organisation finds their own why of D&I and why it's relevant to you as an organisation. My name is Joanne Lockwood, and I am here to talk to you about what you can do to own your playbook. So what is your why of D&I? Well, first of all, it's about doing the right thing, the human factor. And secondly, it's about finding sustainable change through the business case. So about owning your playbook, bringing it to life. Everyone has to have their own why. You as an individual have to understand your own why that D&I is important to you as an individual, but also to understand what it means to the organisation. And think about what great looks like. Paint a vision. Define great. Because we want to adopt a show, don't tell model. And we have to make sure it's for everyone and it's communicated. Because if you leave your D&I playbook on the digital dusty bookshelf, it doesn't have a life and it won't progress and you won't get any benefit from it. So when I run conscious inclusion training, I start by talking about understanding our own selves, who we are, then recognizing our biases and how those impact. And of course, we need to know how to check our own privilege, think about our power and who we are in the world and how we can help others through allyship. Then we need to think about intersectionality and how our thinking is around all people, being very holistic in our inclusion. And of course, we should also understand inclusion and also exclusion. What does it feel like to be excluded and what does it feel like to be truly included? And then we can talk about being an inclusive leader through communication, motivation, how we talk to our people, how we drive our people, how we lead our people through this, how we allow people to thrive. And of course, we should all learn about our language, how our intent and our impact can, and how to be accountable for that, and how that language can affect people through microaggressions or create furthering their limited beliefs. Then finally, we need to learn how to think more inclusively. So I think when we bring this together, this is the starting point on our journey to this conscious inclusion, knowing how we can implement our playbook and know about the core and the key features of it. So my name is Joanne Lockwood. Please do connect with me and find out more. Thank you.